Let's start with the numerical question and drilling operation. Earlier we have seen the drilling operation. How are we going to model and get the values of force and torque? So here it is asked to find the value of torque, that is M, whose equation which we have seen earlier in the previous video. Now the tau S is given to us. So the shear strength, diameter D of the drill bit, the rotational speed of drill bit. 2B is the leap angle. B was the semi-leap angle, which I have said earlier, is given as 118 degrees. Psi is 30 degrees, that is side cutting edge angle. And feed rate is 0.25 mm per revolution. Friction coefficient is given as 0.6. So from friction coefficient, I will get the values of lambda, that is 10 lambda is equal to mu, or lambda is equal to 10 inverse mu, that is 30.96. It is in degrees. The units are very important. Now we'll get the value of alpha, that is the equivalent rake angle. So that is 10 inverse of 2r by d into 10 psi by sine beta. So using that I have got the value also. R will be d by 2 into half. So this is the average R value. So how I have got that? So I have explained earlier how is the R defined. It can be anywhere. It can be anywhere from this to this. So the average value will be the average of this length. So this is d by 2. The half of that length will be the average value of R. So we will use that value directly. Alpha value has been estimated. T1 will be f by 2 sine beta. All the things are given already. W will be d by 2 sine beta. So that values of drill bit diameter and sine beta beta values are given. And FC. So again, you can notice that the sine beta once is coming in the numerator and other time it is coming in the denominator. So earlier we had the in the formula for FC W into T1, but I can directly replace into it by FD by 4, and the sine betas are going to get cancelled. So you need not explicitly find these values. You can directly come up to the formula because the sine betas are going to be cancelled. And I have estimated phi value by Lee and Shepard's theory. Phi plus lambda minus alpha is 45 degrees, and I'm getting phi as 32.65. So the cutting force can be estimated using that equation where we had tau as shear strength, tau s into area into the trigonometric functions, the true trigonometric functions into denominator in the numerator also. So using that, I'm getting the FC value. Then using the trigonometric relation and the Merchant circle, I'm getting this Ft is equal to FC10 of lambda minus alpha. And that is the value is 280.05 Newton. So, and from the formula for torque, which we have seen earlier, it was moment is equal to 0.6 FC into D. So we already have FC value, we already have D value. So we have got the torque final value also. So we'll stop over here. In the next video, we'll start with the milling operation in detail. Thank you.